Y'all can hear me? Ow. Brand new Yeeps hide and seek update. No.
Alright,
Uh,
sure. I got
I
the new
didn't know
bundle.
you
You
were
want to see
joining.
it?
Where's the new map?
The new map?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so do you like basement? Do you like basement?
Not really.
See the bundle? Do you want to
Yo,
see the
look at
bundle?
this.
This is the bundle. This is the bundle. Just
Oh,
look
whoa.
what.
Oh, you're green.
Yeah, do you want to be a green yeep? Do you want to be a green
Yeah,
yeep?
let me be a green Yeep.
Green yeep! Dang it.
Guys, I'm a green Yeep. Alright, come on, let's go to...
Yeah, you run so fast.
I don't think this is basement.
I'm here.
Is this not? Oh. Do you know where all the butt coin stuff is
Also, look. This is to detect if you're radiated. Look.
What? Whoa.
To own everything from, let me see, from right here. So like,
What's this do?
everything right here, everything. Right
Whoa.
here.
I know these are a thing, but what does this do? What are these blocks?
Key.
Like, what?
This is the key.
I didn't see the buttons.
Oh, you didn't?
No, I didn't see the buttons. That's so
Anyway.
cool.
Alright,
Whoa.
so you want to know where the key,
Oh, this is...
there's no new
System.
cosmetics besides this. They just added a new tech web.
What is it? What does this do?
Oh, wait, just follow me. It opens the door over there, but also,
Whoa!
oh, you don't even need the key from over here.
Whoa!
You don't even need the key. Just come over here. You don't. You barely need the key. Just over here.
Yo, guys, this is so cool. Oh.
So. No. Over here. Down here.
All right, what? Oh, what?
Butt coin.
Oh, sweet.
It's only because we're in green
Ooh,
water.
key. What's this button do? Oh, key. It's in here.
Anyway.
Oh. What are these?
TV. There's TV.
Whoa!
There's TV.
Yo, that's so cool. I'm gonna eat this key. What does this do?
Apparently there's. I don't know how to. Wait, there's purple ones. There's butt coins. How do you get the purple thing?
Open door. Where's this go? Oh. Wait, there's stuff under here.
Have you pressed both the computers?
Oh, what the? What's it do? Oh, we're stuck.
No, just don't press any of the buttons, okay? Are we actually stuck? Oh, there.
Yo, this update's cool. Whoa.
You just break everything. Just look. I'm barely
What?
pressing it. Just look.
Whoa, that's so cool.
I'm gonna barely press it. And just look. Look at this. I'm gonna barely press the window.
Can I have a key? Huh. What's up here? Oh, what? Next room. What's this do? Oh. Looks like a teleporter. What's this? That's the door. Whoa.
Wait, where did you go?
Oh, yo, I found a locked room. Where's the key? Come on, dang it. Oh, yes, we got it.
Let's go.
Took the key from me.
Too bad.
Yo. What's this? Ooh. Whoa. Stuck. What? Oh, there's a silver key. Oh, wait, how do you get out there?
Alright, follow me.
Oh, I'm in. What's this do? Oh. Ah! No, stop!
Hey, you're supposed to press all the buttons in order to get out.
How am I supposed to get out? Where's the last
Brett,
one?
you didn't press the last one.
Where is the last? Oh,
Noob.
I got 2 silver keys. Where do I put the key? Oh wait, I'm an idiot. It's right here.
Right, now I control. Now I control. Now I can.
Oh.
No, I mean, now you control. Now you.
Want a chance to win 10,000 shiny rocks? Subscribe. Give me a 10K. You might win.